Vestibular Migraine Rehabilitation. Move without fear. Do you feel dizzy even without a spinning sensation? You would be experiencing vestibular migraines. Let's explore how vestibular rehab can help. What are vestibular migraines? These are episodes of dizziness, nausea, and imbalance that comes with or without a headache. How is it different from vertigo or BPPV? There may be no true spinning sensation or positional triggers. It's neurological, not purely mechanical. Visual tracking. Follow a slowly moving object with your eyes. Balance on foam surface. Stand on a soft mat or pillow to change balance. March with head turns. March in place while turning your head slowly. Can lifestyle changes help with vestibular migraines? Yes. Alongside rehab, reducing stress, staying hydrated, and managing sleep are essential. Don't let migraines control your movement. Book with me at Henday Physio